New York is one of the most photographed cities in the world, but you won't often see it like this. Ghostly and desolated, streets virtually empty and covered in snow. Makes for a beautiful picture though, right? So let's talk to the photographer who snapped these images. Anthony Quintano joins us by phone. Hi, Anthony.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. So you braved the cold to take these beautiful pictures. What struck you about the city empty of people virtually?
I mean, it's just always surreal to see such a big city absolutely empty. The streets clear of vehicles, even crowds of people, especially Times Square, where you normally have crowds of people, and to only see a handful just playing around. It's always inspiring to see, and to document. They had said that this was going to be a historic event, and I really wanted to come in and document that event. And even though it didn't reach the levels that they said it was still beautiful to see.
Oh, look at Times Square. You're right. It's kind of scary in the way to look at Times Square like that.
It is, but it's beautiful at the same time. I think it's great that everybody was able to get their work done in cleaning the mess that was left. So, it was fun to see. There was a group of people having a snowball fight in and around the Times Square area. People taking selfies. It was just a really fun sight.
I've heard from more than one New Yorker that the city overreacted by, shutting down the subway system and issuing a travel ban. What do you think?
I'm not a meteorologist, but I am a weather nerd, and I do follow a lot of them. And I know how frustrating forecasting can be for them. And I think in the end, it's better safe than sorry for us. I think it was great how, everybody was prepared and there weren't a lot of people in the streets. And I think it was best because it allowed for the crews to clean up whatever mess that did exist. And I think it was, even though the forecast didn't get what we wanted, I think it was better that the city was cleared as it was.
Yeah, I'm just mesmerized by your pictures. They're just so beautiful. Wow, kind of makes you wish there were less people in New York City. But everything will return to normal. No. Exactly.
It was difficult to get around. Thank you for showing them.
Oh, they were beautiful. Thank you for sharing. Anthony Quintano, thanks. Many thanks.